I would like to congratulate my team of officers and executives, and of course all the new and old members. Each one of you is a cog of the wheel and equally important. Let's build bridges of friendship and offer our hearts and hands in the service of those who need our help. Let us reach and inspire to carry on the legacy laid down by the incredible stalwarts of Innoville. I have the task to carry on after Kapila, our previous president, who has set the bar very high. I make a vow to remain steadfast in our social service, carry on our regular projects, and maintain the camaraderie of our club. In the short span of 6 years, our club has grown by leaps and bounds. To my officers, I want to express that we are not in the pursuit of perfection, but the pursuit of happiness. So frown less and smile more. I pledge to step up and lead by example. July is the month where we carry out our plantation projects. Now, Deepika ji has said that July 10th is Tree Plantation Day. And so by God and Guruji's grace, today is Guru Purnima also. So little later we'll go with Mamta ji outside and click pics with the trees, saplings. I urge each one of you to plant at least 2 trees. You can mark your birthdays and anniversaries with plantation exercises in the months to come. We can all collect mango and fruit seeds and join hands with NGOs such as People Baba. Today we've got some mango seeds. We can join hands with People Baba to improve our green cover and create Miyawaki. Kapila, is this the correct pronunciation? Miyawaki forest. Practice, reduce, reuse, and recycle so that less waste and plastic ends up in the landfills. We shall explore plastic crushing machine options, which I think Seema was going to explore for us, as a means to better recycling. Let's try to use cloth bags for shopping, and today I'm showing you a few samples of making bags out of discarded clothes. And my token of diaries made of recycled paper in tote bags. So we can use these bags for shopping and not use the plastic bags. Let's redefine how we treat the environment. In the months to come, we have certain committees to cover as given by our district chairman and association president. We will try to cover health, hygiene, women empowerment, child welfare, narcotics awareness, which Mamta ji will guide us, senior citizen welfare, disabilities, physical fitness. In October from 1st to 10th, we will be observing Be Vocal for Local, where we will buy gift items, locally made gift items to promote Buy Indian and support local enterprises. So look forward to an interesting week, and we will celebrate the birthday of Gandhiji, the father of the nation also that time. We need to promote our organization by Innoville branding. We should try to install tree guards, dustbins, merchandise with the Innoville logo. On social media, tag your family and friends to advertise Innoville. Please bring more like-minded friends to join our club. Friends, let's work slowly and steadily. Let's plan our projects according to the vision of the DC and the association president, and I'm sure our collective efforts can be of some value to society. I'm always available to those of you who have taken up new posts, and my endeavor would be to create more leaders for our club. Usha Gagrani is always ready to teach computer and app skills. As many of us think how will I make a report? And we sometimes say, "नहीं मैं नहीं post लूँगी." So she's regularly taking classes. Just be ready to learn. It's not a rocket science. Huh? It's very easy. When I came to Inner Wheel during the COVID times, at that time I didn't know how to even send an email. So that time during the lockdown, my son was home from Hyderabad. So he said to me, "Mummy, थोड़ी बटन दबा के देखो, देखो क्या होता है." मैं घबरा जाती थी कि ये बेटा शिव ये नहीं हो रहा। मम्मी दबा के देखो, देखो हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा।
ऐसे बटन दबाए जो बंद ही नहीं हो रहा।
I can also teach basic Excel and Word document, and I'm willing to teach anyone who is keen to learn. Art Club should be a reflection of unity in diversity. You're all immensely talented and have something to bring to the table. Good work should never stop. Long live Inner Wheel.
Thank you, Madam President. That was